Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you decided to come back to watch more of my videos, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to get more tips about social media and how to create amazing and unique content. Today we are going to create content for Instagram stories, sharing your work and art on Pinterest. But today I am going to show you how to make a video quote graphic. To do so, we are going to use the wonderful app called Mojo. As usual, before any of my tutorials, I am going to show you what you need to do before getting into the app. So, number one, what you can do for your video quote is to find a background, a wallpaper to put your quote on. It can be like a color, plain color of the color of your choice. It can be an image, it can be a picture of you, it can also be a picture of the ocean, it can also be some illustration arts that you made or that you found. You can also make a video quote that has a video background. In this video, I am going to show you two ways to make this beautiful video quote graphic. The first one will be with a still image on the background and a really cool way to animate the text. And the second way, we will go into having a really cool video on the background of our quote text, of our quote. Yes, step number one, find a really nice still image background. Second, find a video that you want to put in your background too. It can even be a video of you. It can be a video of you doing your makeup. It can be a video of you cleaning your house and you add a quote about cleaning. No jokes. Do things works. If you don't want to use one of your video, you can go on the site Pixel. So I have the app inside the app Pixel. I'm going to show you quick. You can be looking for videos, but you can also look for photos, or it's like Unsplash. And so you have photos, videos, and the people that are making them. And so you can find tons of different videos that you can use to add as the background of your graphic work. Like this one. This one is really nice. What do you think? So let's download it, because you know what? We might use this one for awkward video. You can find that kind of wallpaper on Pixel, on Unsplash, on Google, or you can also find it on Pinterest. I am finding most of my wallpaper and backgrounds on Pinterest. I have board made for this called Wallpaper for Content Creation. I have so many pins inside that board. If you guys want to check it out, I will put the link in the description down below. But you can also make your own background on on Procreate. We are going to start making them. I'm going to start by making my own background on Procreate on my iPad, and then I will going to show you how to make it on Mojo. You heard me said it. We will need an app to make our video quote graphic. The app is called Mojo. You can download it on iOS for sure. I have no idea about Android. And you can use some of their template, their video template for free. I do not remember what one are available. I do believe you can do those kind of things with the free version of Mojo, but in case you can't, the app is $39 a year. Anyways, let's get into me creating my wallpaper, and let's go into the Mojo app. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. so let's open the Mojo app. You can do this on your phone or you can do this on your iPad, it's up to you. When you get there, it's going to ask you to choose a template. So this is where the cool background's happening. You can see on the summaries here, like if I click on it, I can see that they have like a pool, beach background. This is what we are going to do for our own video quote. So I believe when you have the free version of Mojo, you will have access at some of those minimal templates. I don't really know what you have access when you have the free option, but I'm sure you can definitely make something. You can do something there. Let's take a random one. Here it says typography. So obviously that would be amazing for our video quote graphic because this is like text and image. So as you can see, you have like already a quote on it, and if you click on the brush here, you can change the template, you can change the colors, and you can even add your brand color. I have my brand color here. So you can change, you can say that is white and that is this color. So this is very unique and customizable if once again you have Mojo Pro. And here comes the background. So if you click on background, you will be able to choose a video or animation that are already there and put your quote on it. Here you will be also able to choose the style of your text. So there is multiple of options. You choose whatever you want. You can also change the fonts. If you have Mojo Pro, you can download your own fonts, and you can change the color, whatever color you would rather use. So this is basically the quick tour on Mojo. I really wanted to do that for you to understand what I'm doing. Let's get into creating our two different quotes. Isn't it awesome? Isn't it so cool what we just created with the Mojo app? Seriously, I am obsessed with those video quote graphic. You can put them on your Instagram story. So anyways guys, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. I'm gonna make more of this kind of video on my YouTube channel, so don't miss out on any of those. I also obviously give some social media tips, and until next time, take care and thank you for watching.